Hey, what's up guys, today we will talk about SolarWind project and we will also tell you how to buy SolarWind token. In the last of the video, its rank is 2940. Around 1403 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is solarwindtoken.net and this is its price $0.003188 and BTC is 162% high, ATH is 164% high, low price is $0.001265 and high price is $0.00632 $1 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain and this is contract address. After that we will come down and this is its chart. This chart continuously increasing. After that we will enter $100 here and in $100 we are getting around 23k SolarWind token and its trading volume is around $2,88,000. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is around 1 billion SLW coin. After that we will open its website and click on solartoken.net. I have already opened this website. If we talk about history of SolarWind token, basically SolarWind token focus on Bitcoin mining through renewable energy. SolarWind project solving BTC mining problem through renewable energy, and click on about SLW. About SLW, basically SLW provides token a decentralized way. People get finance solar project and 100% takeable Binance Smart Chain. Basically SLW provides funds and charity for solar installer and 5% of funds deployed to the installer will be allocated to charity wallets. And why SolarWind? As the world transition to renewable energy, homeowners, business and governments are needing to transition into using solar energy. Millions of drivers are expected to switch electric vehicles and Bitcoin miners seeking cleaner energy sources. This is a recipe for exponential growth in the solar industry, which only has a market cap in the hundreds of billions compared to multi-trillion-dollar energy sectors. And SolarWind is a solution. This token provides a brand new way to people invest in solar industry, gives customer and installer easy financing, accelerator Bitcoin transition and renewable energy, and helps government and businesses and reduce carbon emissions. That means SolarWind needed to government, business, individual and electric vehicles, and we can use SolarWind for Bitcoin mining and we can reduce carbon emission. First is 5% redistribution to the all holder on every transaction. The liquidity pool will be increased after project completion because customer complete their payment, more money will put back into the pool. And renewable energy as whole still plays a small role the overall energy sector and striving to solve Bitcoin energy dependence on renewable sources like Bitcoin grow value entire cryptocurrency market. The process the supply is 5% and afterwards 2.5%. and second is partnership approvals and allocation. 5% of financial cost installer will be allocated Positive Energy wallet and payments. When the project is complete, the customer will pay back on financed amount of investment through the DApp. And growth, as the coin grows we will have to community votes fund large project that will generate liquidity more many years and future scales. And this is tokenomics. Total supply is 1 billion, burned coin 500 million, and 2.5% of all transactions go to dedicated project fund, and 10% tax on all transactions, 5% redistributed to holders, and 2.5% go to liquidity pool, and 2.5% sent to dedicated project fund wallet. And go to roadmap, and this is roadmap. Q3 1 July 13 September 92 days beginning construction of DApp partner with Bitcoin miner, first CEX, HQ Europe and solar installation giveaways, airdrop and D-app mockup. Q4 1 October 31 December 92 days beta testing D-app, finance first project, partnership with more installers and miners, beginning discussion with world leaders for government integration, more CEX. And if we talk about its future, and most of the coin are scam. If you want to invest in it, then invest $1 or less in the beginning. If this coin perform good, even after 1 month you can invest in it, and this is my personal opinion. Be careful, invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on D-app section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.